Hello and welcome to Drugs Plus. Whether you're here for exam revision or just general interest, I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support this channel so that I'm able to continue creating this content. This video is about mitosis, the process by which cells divide and replicate. This is distinct from meiosis, which is the process by which gametes are formed in the testes and ovaries. Mitosis occurs for two reasons: for growth of an organism, or for repair of old or faulty cells, and is one of the major components of the cell cycle. The remaining section of the cell cycle, interphase, prepares the cell for mitosis. Primarily, the DNA unravels and replicates to double its genetic content. In the first stage of mitosis, prophase, the chromosomes condense and tiny bundles of proteins called centrioles move to opposite ends of the cell, forming a network of protein fibres called the spindle, and the nuclear envelope breaks down. In the second stage of mitosis, metaphase, the chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell and become attached to the spindle by their centromere. During the third phase, anaphase, the centromeres divide, separating each pair of sister chromatids, and the spindles contract, pulling the chromatids to opposite poles of the cell. And finally, in telophase, a nuclear envelope forms around each group of chromosomes, and the cytoplasm divides via a process known as cytokinesis. We are now left with two genetically identical daughter cells. Mitosis is complete, and the cell re-enters interphase as the process begins again. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support this channel so I'm able to continue creating this content. I'll be back with more videos soon.